All right. I've started recording the class, so immediately after we are done, I'm going to compress it as usual and upload it to my YouTube and upload it to my YouTube channel so that you guys can go ahead and and then watch it. Now, as I have said, the very first thing that I'm going to give you guys, that I'm going to tell you guys today, is I will show you my course on. I want to show you my full course on Nova University. All right. I want to show you the content so that after this class, um, if you want to advance your skills, you can try and opt in for it. Okay, right. So this is the course page. Hope you guys can see this. Can you guys see this? Can you see my screen? Can you guys see my screen?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
No, no.
All right, all right, all right. Okay. Please let me know when you start seeing my screen. Now, it's very important that you know this. As a web designer, you have to be very good. Like, you have to be very good. You have to be able to deliver exceptional results. You have to be able to design very beautiful website for people. You can't just design Jaku Jaku website and expect people to call you back or refer you. As a consultant, as a designer, your best asset is your reputation and your ability to deliver great work. Do you understand? Because here is the thing: if you do a very good job for me, I'll probably call you next time or refer you to a friend. Do you understand? And then you should not just go ahead out there and start designing websites for people and be telling them that it is Big Sam that taught you. Me, I will deny you. You understand? I will deny. You remember how Peter denied Jesus? Oh my God, I will so much deny you. So what I'm saying is that if you want to succeed in this work, you have to be extremely good. That is why I taught you guys how to work on localhost. All right, that's why I taught you guys how to work on localhost, such that you wouldn't need to buy a domain to practice. You can practice on as much website as possible, so that you can come up with like exceptionally beautiful websites. Do you understand? You can come out with exceptionally beautiful website, and then when you are sure, and then you know that okay, I'm very good now, then you can go ahead and create your own web design consultancy. Unfortunately, there are a lot of things that we won't be able to cover in this particular masterclass that I'm teaching you. But I can assure you that you'll be able to design very beautiful websites. Right, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to show you guys today, and then maybe tomorrow. I've not decided yet, depending on where we stop today. So um, I'm going to see if we should extend this thing till tomorrow. Do you understand? Depending on how long today is. All right. So very soon now, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you. But first of all, I want to show you the content of that particular course. What that particular course will do is to take you by the hand. All these things that I'm teaching you that you're asking me to be recording, everything is on that course, right? Let me show you. All right. Let me know if you can see my screen right now. Please, if you can see my screen, let me know. Can you see my screen? Please let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, I
Yes,
can see.
yes.
I can see your screen.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Nothing. Okay, very good. So this is the course page, all right? This is the course page. I'm currently enrolled as myself. Currently we have a total of 38 students. We have a total of 38 students. I will share the link so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. Let me copy the link. Let me share the link to you guys now so that you can go ahead. I will drop it in the chat link now. You can go ahead and check it out yourself. Understand? You can go ahead and check it out yourself, but let me just walk you through it right now because I'm currently logged in into the back end. All right, I'm currently logged in as someone that is you're actually taking the course. All right, and then it is very important to know that you are going to get a certificate after you complete this course. All right, you will get a certificate with your name on it, and it is duly signed. Do you understand? And then look at that. So this is the introductory part. This is the introductory part, and then how domain works. I explained this one to you guys, and then some practical examples: how to purchase hosting and domain, how to install WordPress, and how to use localhost. Everything that I taught you guys yesterday. Everything that I taught you guys yesterday is just module 2. Do you understand? And then we are going to go ahead and configure WordPress, install some things, the old terrible way of making websites. I'm going to show you guys today, and then some other things. And then after you're done, I'm going to show you how to do a lot of other things, and then also how to design a logo for free. How to design a logo for free is here. And then how you I'm also going to show you a way in which you can design a website, right? I told you guys that it will only take you about 2 days or 1 day to build a website, right? I will show you how you can design an entire website in just 15 minutes, right? This is design just got easier using templates right here. Do you understand? So also you will create forms. Remember that I told you that I do not just create website for businesses. I do other things for them that will boost their business. Guess what? I'm teaching everything: how to create contact forms, how to boost your business using chatbots. In fact, I'm probably thinking maybe I will remove this or maybe I should leave it. I don't know yet, but this is like too much. How to create a chatbot. Do you guys know what chatbots are? Have I shown you? Okay, let me see if I can pull up one chatbot for you guys to see. All right, let me see if I can pull up one chatbot for you guys to see. Let me see.
But please don't remove anything there. Please. Go back.
Please mute your microphone.
Alright.
Mute your microphone, please. Make sure your microphone is muted, please. All right. So when I'm done bringing it up, I will send it to you guys so that you can see. It's a chat robot. This is how chat robots work actually. It is the one that will be doing the job for you while you are sleeping. It will be selling your product while you are sleeping. It can help you talk to your prospect. Do you understand? They'll be asking your robot question, and your robot will be answering them, and then it will show them your product and then redirect them to wherever you want them to go. So that is how chat robots are made. Do you understand? And you don't have to code. You don't have to code. All right. I've explained everything in details in here. That's module 5. Right. So as you can see, building chat robot, steps to creating a chat robot, optimizing your chat robot, and everything, step-by-step guide. And also module 6, right? Design just got easier using some certain things, and also email marketing. All right. Now, I don't know if you guys are enjoying the attendance email that I'm automatically sending to you guys, and then immediately after you finish registering, you get an automatic customized email that is customized with Nova University and everything. Do you understand? Do you know how professional that will make you look if your business has something like that? If someone sign up on your website or fill any form on your website, they will immediately receive an automatic email. Even also SMS, you can also do SMS too, so that immediately after they sign up for something, they will receive an automatic SMS. And later, if you want to get over to them, you can also send an email broadcast or an SMS broadcast. That is how you guys sign your attendance every day. I send you guys email broadcast containing your attendance link so that you can go ahead and sign your attendance from there. So it is pretty slick. It is very, very dope, all right? And I explained everything how to do that. Now, how won't websites pay you a lot of money? How won't clients pay you a lot of money to be able to do this for them? Now, what most other people, the reason why I am different from other people, what most other people are doing for them is just to create website for them. That's all. But me, immediately after I create websites, I will set up all these other things for them. Do you understand? I'll set these other things for them. How to create an autoresponder email. Do you see this? Can you guys see this? Please tell me if you can see this. Can you see this?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, very good. How to create an autoresponder email, and so on and so forth. And then module 8. creating a mini brand for your web design business. All right, this is where I teach you how you can everything you've been learning since morning, how you can turn it into money. And then in fact, and also how to create a traffic card on Facebook. I also taught a little bit of digital marketing here, how to find paying clients with digital marketing, which means you just have to sit down at home and then Facebook does the job, look for customers for you. All right. You see that. How many of you have heard of digital marketing before? You might not know what it means, but don't worry, it is pretty. It is. I will try and explain that maybe probably towards the ending of this class, or maybe tomorrow if we decide to have class tomorrow. All right, and also module 9, where I gave final informations and final advices and all. All right. Actually, if I want to tell you, this is probably the most important module out of this whole thing, because this is where I mean, I know that a lot of people, they have the skills, but they don't know how to turn it into money. Do you understand? You don't have to figure out how to turn it into money, because I have already figured out what works, and I gave it out step by step here. All right, so you don't have to figure it out again or try and waste your time and get frustrated trying to look for how to make it here. I've already made it, and I'm kind of giving it out for you here. Do you understand? So this is a lot of value right here. So you can check it out after this course if it is something that you want to really dive into. I really recommend that you check it out. Do you understand? I really recommend that you check it out. And then I was able to create this thing in partnership with in partnership with one company like that called Olotu Square. All right. Um, that's why if you look at it, the price is a little bit too much. It is $50. Do you understand? The price is $50, right? But here is what I used to do for my students, because I really want people to advance. I really want people to do something with this. I used to sponsor 20 people, just 20 people. That's all, just 20 people. I will sponsor 20 people, and then I will give out a particular code. It's an automatic code, such that when you apply that code, it will take it from $50. $50 is around that 20,000 naira, and then it will take it and convert it into $14, which is around that 5,000 naira. Do you understand? But it is 20. That's all. Do you understand? Immediately after the last 20th person uses that code will stop working. So it's kind of not my fault. It is first come, first have. Do you understand? So after that, outside that 20 people, you would probably have to get it at the normal price that the general public is getting it. Do you understand? The whole of Port Harcourt City, that's the amount they are getting it. In fact, currently, about I think next month, August, I'm going to be having a training. It's going to be a physical training at Olotu Square. Olotu Square is a very big tech company. That's where I work in Port Harcourt. Like, that's where I'm doing my PPA. That's where I'm doing my services, because I'm currently a core member, right? So next month we are going to be having a class. We are going to be having a class on web design, and I will be the one taking that class. And then what I'm going to teach in that class is what I'm teaching you guys here for free. Do you understand? And then they are paying 20,000 naira. No, sorry, 50,000 naira. They are paying 50,000 naira. It is the other one. Let me see. I want to show you guys something. Obaloluwa, very good. Obaloluwa is a friend from Ibadan, and he sent this to me. All right, can you guys see this? Hello, can you guys see this?
Yeah,
Okay, very good. Now, can you see the price tag that is on this?
20,000.
20,000 naira. Yes, 20,000 naira. And then what they are going to teach you is what I'm teaching you in this free class. Do you understand? How to create a website, which does not include you having email autorespond. Because I mean, I don't know, but me, I really like that email thing, and automatic SMS, and also chat robots.
So I like it.
I love it. I'm in love with it.
let me show you the chat robots. Actually, I don't know. Let me see. ME Messenger. Oh my god. I'm trying to see if I can pull up the messenger and let you guys see. Oh, okay. This is another one. This is another one. I should probably let you guys check this one out. Let me see. Let me copy this one. Okay, let me copy this one. This is actually not the one I'm looking for. Very good. You guys should check this one out. All right. If you have Messenger installed, you can check it out. All right. Let me say I will send this to you now. You can check it out. This is exactly how a chatbot looks like. And tell me, in fact, this particular chatbot alone. If I design chatbot for businesses alone, I get paid nothing less than 40k, 50k without website though. You understand? So yeah, that's the thing. And then also in Port Harcourt here, if you are in Port Harcourt, I invite you to come and join the class. You understand? This will just be like a double knowledge for you. Come and join the class, but you have to pay. You have to pay 50k. You understand? To learn what I'm teaching you here. So we are charging 50k for that class. All right. So you guys can check it out and have fun. Have fun with my chat robot. All right. So just know that you will be able to design something exactly like that for businesses. And not only will you be able to design that, you will be able to turn it into money. Because that is what module 8 section on. I spent time to tell you how you can turn it into money. And then now you can just sit down in your house and then clients will be chasing you all over Nigeria. All right. So that's just it. You guys can check it out. I think I've already said enough about this. Right. In fact, Seth, I think lecture 1, lecture 2, and lecture 3 are previewable. You can go ahead and preview it. All right, just go ahead and preview it. It's a very beautiful interface. And then even I want to bust your brain, Seth. This particular Nova University website that you are looking at, I designed it myself. Do you understand? So if you want to be able to do the same, you should kind of check it out. Do you understand? All right. Do you understand? This is how the course looks like, and you're going to enjoy it. All right. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Let's continue with today's class. All right.
Oh, I missed it.
Okay, very
I was
good.
busy checking Facebook.
You want me to start playing the whole course for you here, Abi? with whose data? You and who? All right. Someone just asked a question. Can we create a bot that can do certain tasks? Of course, yes. The answer is a giant yes. The answer is a giant yes. All right. So let's continue. Now, we're about to start the class. Just go ahead. Oh, and another thing is that, guys, I will not release I want everybody to be on the same page. I will not release the link for you to get the code, that that very high discount code. I'm personally sponsoring just 20 people. That's all. After 20, that's all. You understand? I'm not the one that born you. I'm not your father. So after don't mind my joke. So after 20 usage has been used, then there's nothing I can do. So it's kind of like a first come first have. All right. Even if you get the code and you did not use it on time till the 20th person uses the code, then that's all. There's nothing I can really do about that again, right? So
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, what criteria to getting it?
Okay, to getting the code.
Yeah.
Okay. The criteria to getting the code is to be one of my students. Is to be in this class that we are doing. Do you understand? It's only you've passed that already. The second criteria is to be proactive. Is to be very fast. Is to be proactive, such that if they've already exhausted the 20 slots, then you can't get the discount. You can't use the code. Of course, everybody will have access to the code. All right, I will drop the link, and then you will put your email address, and then the code will be automatically sent to your email address immediately. Do you understand? So you will get the code. Everybody can get the code, but it's just the first 20 persons to use it. That's all. Do you understand? Do you get it now?
Ah, alright.
Okay, very good. I'll probably drop it maybe later today or tomorrow. Should I make it today or tomorrow?
Ah,
I don't know,
are we going to
just
know the time that you're dropping it, or is it just going to be simultaneous or at any time? Random?
just keep your heads up, all right? I'll probably drop it on WhatsApp. So immediately you see it on WhatsApp, just get your code and the ball will be in your court. All right, let's continue with today's class.
We're looking at
So,
our phone every time.
what do you say?
We're looking at the phone every time. You want to put us on something, right?
All right, very good, very good. Let's continue.
Okay.
Solomon is a comedian. All right, now as I was saying, so go ahead and start your XAMPP first. Start your Apache, start your MySQL. So after you've done both of them, all right. After you've done that, go ahead and open your. Okay, don't mind me. This is the screen recorder that I'm using. Okay. Go ahead and open your browser. I use Firefox. Alright, open your browser and type your website name. Localhost slash your website name. What's your website name? I think mine was oceanfair slash WP admin. Make sure WP admin is there. I'll copy it and send it to you guys now. Alright, WP admin. This is it. Do you understand? This is it. Just type something like this. You know where Ocean Fair is, that will be your website name. So after you've done that, click enter. Immediately after you click enter, it will take you to your it will take you to your dashboard. Alright, so it might take a while for it to load, but don't worry, it's going to load up. It's still pulling resources together. Alright. As your own loaded up, if you've already loaded yours, please just type yes. If you've loaded yours, just type yes. Okay, very good. That's nice. Alright, great. Great. Okay, my own has loaded as well. Now this was where we stopped yesterday. Fine. So what we are going to do is that you will go to I want us to start on a blank slate. Do you understand? There are some other things, there are some things that are pre-installed with the installation, like all these stupid pages. I want us to start with a completely blank slate. Why don't we let us uninstall or delete these pages? Go to pages. On this left part, you will see posts, you will see pages, comments, and all those stuff. Just go to pages. Alright, when you get to pages, just trash it. Trash this one. Do you understand? Trash it and trash the other one too. I want us to start with a completely blank slate so that I can take you guys from zero to knowing how to design your first page. Do you understand? And the second thing you should do is to come to post. You see post here too. Once you get to post, right, let me confirm that this thing is still recording. Okay, it's still recording. So once you get to post, once you get to post, you are going to see an hello world post here. Trash that one too. Alright, delete it. It doesn't matter about me. I just like everything to be. And then something is actually very important that we have to do here. Come to settings. Alright, come to settings over here. Go to general. Let's do general settings first. I want to show you guys something. Let's do general settings first. Go to general. Click on general settings. Why is this thing slow a little bit today? Now, remember when we were writing our site title and tagline, and some of you asked me that can I later change it? Yes, this is where you can change it. So you come to settings, you come to general, you can come ahead and change your settings here. You can come ahead and change your just a WordPress site settings here. You can change it to something else like, consultancy firm. And then just always leave this one alone, leave this one alone. If you want to change your email address, change your email address. And then membership, anyone can register. If you want anybody to be able to register in your on your website. You can come and click this. And then new member role. If anybody registers, what do you want them to register as? Do you want them to register as a subscriber, contributor, author, or administrator? Don't give anybody administrator permission on your website. Do you understand? It is only you that should be an administrator. All right. If you want to give another person a permission such that they will be able to make changes on your website, maybe probably you have a co-worker that works with you on that website, you can give them editor. Do you understand? Or contributor.
Yeah.
Do you understand? All these levels, they have different things they can do. Because if you give someone administrator, the person can change password and log you out. Do you understand? But if you give someone contributor, they will only be able to, maybe you want that person to be able to create pages. Do you understand? You can just give the person author. If you want the person to be able to create, maybe post alone, upload pictures to your website and make some certain changes, you can give them editor. But if you give them administrator, they will have sudo permission. Do you understand? Don't mind me. What I mean by sudo is that they will have administrative level permission. They can change password, and then you yourself will not be able to access your own website again, and that's not good. All right. So, and what else? Date format, time format, and then week starts on Monday. Whatever you want week to start on, click on save changes. Immediately after you click on save changes, there's another thing very important that we have to do. Come to reading. This is under settings. Come to reading. All right. When you get to reading, okay, this is reading. This discourages search engine to do whatever. Just leave it like that. And another thing, come to writing. When you get to writing, there is a lot of this is not where I'm looking for. Okay, primary links. Don't mind me. Come to primary links over here. Come to primary links. Okay, so when you get to primary links, how do you want your primary link to be displayed? Do you understand? Most of the time, use post name. Always use post name. Post name. Just click on post name here. After you click on post name, save changes. After you save changes, we are good to go. Come to Ocean Fair over here. Let's visit our site. Let's see how our site looks like right now. So this is how our site looks like because of the theme that we are currently using. Now we are going to change our theme into something much more beautiful, into something much more, I don't know, much more professional. Let me put it that way. Let's change our theme. Come to appearance, go to themes. You understand? So when you get to themes, if you are with me, please type yes. If you are with me, type yes. Yes, the class is being recorded. The class is being recorded. And what is saying error? Stephen Kinde, stop your, Stephen Kinde, you can talk to me. You said something is saying error. What's saying error?
Yes, I want. And try to post.
When you try to do what?
Try to post, yeah.
When you try to delete the post.
Hello? Yes.
Okay, it's not allowing you to delete the post.
Yeah, it's saying error.
It's saying error. You know what? Just refresh that page and try again. Refresh that page and try again.
Okay, it's working now. It's working now.
Okay, very good. That's good. Okay, very good. A large number of people are with me. Let's continue. All right. Okay, so I'll go back to. Very good. So also, if you like, you can keep this theme here or delete them, but I don't care. You can put it them. You can leave them there. Just come over here, appearance, go to themes, and then click on add new. All right. Once you clicked on add new, you will see a lot of themes. You will see a lot of themes. You will see a lot of themes over here. Do you understand? You can see so much. You can go to popular. When you go to popular, you see a lot of them.
Add new is not bringing anything at all.
Yeah, that's because you are not connected to the internet. Connect your laptop to the internet.
Oh, yeah, Peter, it's cool.
Do you understand? I told you that when you want to download a new theme or something, you have to be connected to the internet to be able to load them from the internet, because this thing is not saved on your computer. It's not saved from your local on your local, so it's being downloaded from the internet. Do you understand? So this is a lot of them. Now, what I want you to do is to search for one very important thing, and it is one of the best WordPress theme out there that you can use, right? It is called Ocean WP. Ocean WP. Just search for Ocean WP. All right. Once you search for Ocean WP, it will be here. It's a very good theme. It's one of the best. So if you click, you see it has 5 ratings over here. It has 5-star ratings. Do you understand? It has 5-star ratings, and it has been around.
Sir, I can hear you.
Oh, can you hear me now?
I'm not saying anything.
Can you guys hear me? Oh, they say my voice is fainting. Is my voice is fainting? Can you hear me? Hello? Who is that? Please off your microphone. Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me? Hey, Jesus. What's going on with my microphone? Oh, all right. Sorry about that. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, very good. Sorry about that. I think I was on my Bluetooth earpiece before, and immediately I disconnected. I think the thing kind of automatically muted me out. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Please mute your microphone, Solomon. Solomon, you are recording some background noise. Mute. Always keep your microphone muted. Thank you. So let's continue. Okay, so it has 5-star rating, as I was saying, 5-star rating over here, and it has been around since 2008. So it is perfectly fine. All right, this is one of the finest. This is one of the finest themes available that you can use, and then I would strongly recommend that you install this thing with me so that we can be on the same page. Do you understand? So you can just go ahead and click on install here. Make sure you are connected to the internet. All right, search for Ocean WP and then click on install. So it will be installing. It might take a little while, few minutes to install because it is downloading that file. Please remember, you have to be connected to the internet because it will be downloading that file. It is currently downloading that file now. It is currently downloading that file, and then once it has finished downloading, it's still downloading. How far now? Okay, it's still installing. All right, hope you guys are with me. Okay, Carissa Akinola, you are lost. Where are you lost? Akinola, you can unmute your microphone and talk to me.
Sir, the other time you were talking, we could not hear you very well. So
okay, where exactly are you?
What you were explaining before.
Okay, so where exactly
we
are
stop
you?
at the team.
The team. Okay, very good. Let me make a recap. What you're gonna do is that go to appearance, click on team. So once you click on team, you understand? Once you click on team, you are going to get here, and then click on add new. All right. So once you click on add new, what I need you to do is to go and search for Ocean WP. Ocean WP. All right. So after you search for Ocean WP, look for this particular one and click on install. Instead of activate here, just click on install. After you click on install, just click on install, right? It will keep installing. It will start installing. And then after you finish installing, it will tell you that it has been installed. and then you will be left to activate it. Just click on activate. All right, just click on activate. So immediately after you finish activating it, it's going to take you to this particular, it's going to be activated. All right, and then it's going to bring this warning up front that you need to install some other extra thing. Do you understand? Let's just begin installation. Just click on begin installation. So it will ask you to install Elementor, it will ask you to install WP Forms, but don't install both of these yet. Don't install this. Don't install Elementor yet. Don't install WP. We are going to install this one, but I want to make a point first before we install Elementor. All right. Now just go ahead and install Ocean Extra. Install Ocean Extra. Just click on install. All right. After you click on install, Ocean Extra will start downloading. It is very important that you install Ocean Extra. Please install Ocean Extra as well. It will start downloading. All right. All right. This thing is still installing. All right. Okay, at the precious, after saving the settings on WordPress, the page stops. Okay, unmute your microphone and talk to me at the precious. At the precious, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, what's up? Talk to me.
Okay, after opening the WordPress, while I was saving the settings, all of a sudden it took me to a page that object not found. So I went back, and then giving me this scattered page. Can I show you?
Oh, it's giving you scattered page.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Just try and reload it. Try and refresh the page. Do you understand? And then the browser you are using actually matters too. Use Chrome or use Firefox. If you are using Explorer, it's going to mess your pages up. Do you understand? Yes. So do that. And if you are still having,
I'm using Chrome.
You're using Chrome.
I've refreshed like 3 times.
It's still giving you the same issue.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp DM. Take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp DM, and then we can see how we can help you. Alright. And also, of course, Ocean WP, Mayowa Michael.
I have a question too.
Okay, please go very fast. Palumi, go very fast. Palumi, are you there?
Okay, I tried to install the Ocean WP. Then after the installation, then I saw activate. I clicked on activate. Then I'm there. I'm talking. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. Okay, you clicked on activate and then what?
Hello, sir.
I can hear you. Continue.
Yeah, I said after I clicked on the Ocean WP, then I can only see customize here. I can't see any other thing aside customize.
Yeah, it is customized.
But then I can see new team activated. Visit site. Am I supposed to click on visit site?
No, don't click on visit site. Don't worry. Don't click on visit site. Alright, don't click on visit site. This is what I ask you to look for. This thing is still not installed. Alright. This is where you're probably going to be. Let me show you. This is where you're going to be. Alright, it's going to just show customize, right? It's going to show customize here. It is fine.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. But look, do you have this little notice here? Up here. This team recommends the following plugin. Do you have it here?
No, sir, I don't have it. I will keep navigating again. I just left that place.
I don't have it.
You don't have it. Alright. Now, if you don't have it, this is what you can do. Go to plugins. Go to plugins.
Okay, I can see it now. I can see it.
If you can
I can see it now.
If you can see, just click on
this thing recommends the following plugin.
Exactly. If you see it,
I click on what, sir?
Begin installing plugin. Click on begin installing plugin. Don't install
Okay.
Elementor yet, and don't install
Okay.
WP Forms. Only install Ocean Extra. Do you understand?
Okay, I've seen Ocean Extra.
Just install Ocean Extra. All right.
Okay, sir.
Just click on install on Ocean Extra.
Okay, it's already installing, sir.
Yeah, very good, very good.
I can't see it. I can't see it at all.
Okay, I'm coming. I would tell you how to look for it now. Now, if you cannot see it, go to plugins. All right, go to plugins. You can see this is in your in your left bar. Go to plugins. After you click on plugins, all right, you are going to have this here, and then go to add new plugin. Go to add new plugin. That's if you cannot see this, and then come to search plugins. Search for Ocean Extra. And you are going to see it right here. Ocean Extra. Do you get that? Do you get that?
Yeah, I can see it now. I can see
Okay,
the
very
Ocean
good.
Extra.
Just go ahead and install it from here. All right. So my Ocean Extra is still installing. I'm just gonna wait for it to finish installation. All right. It's still installing. It's already installing my plugin. It's very important. This Ocean Extra will be the one to help you further have more functionality. All right, plugins are very good for us. Plugins give us much more functionalities on our website. So go to return to plugin installers. If you are getting this error, I don't know why I'm getting this error, but you shouldn't get this error. Just leave that. Just leave it for now. All right. And now, since we've gotten here, let's see how our website looks now. Go to Ocean Fair. All right. Go to Ocean Fair right here and click on visit site. So if you click on visit site, this is how your website looks now. Yep. I know it is looking very blank right now, but trust me, when we are done with this baby, you won't recognize it again. Do you understand? So this is how it looks like. This is the basic. This is like the basic thing. All right. So what I need you to do is to click on customize. Click on customize right here. Click on customize. Do you understand? Just go ahead and click on customize.
Bit fast, you are too fast, bro. Please, you are too fast.
I'm too fast.
Yes, please. I'm still installing the Ocean WP, please.
Okay. I will slow down a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
All right. I will wait for. Okay. Ebonpe Ajayi, you said your own said update failed. Update failed. Okay, I don't understand. What is saying update failed actually? Which one? Ebonpe, talk to me. Ebonpe Ajayi. Is Ebonpe Ajayi there? Okay, update failed, right? What exactly is saying update failed? Is it when you are trying to install Ocean WP or when you are installing Ocean Extra? Hello? Alright, so please, who wants to talk to me? Who else is facing the update failed stuff? Stephen Kinde. Alright, update fail. What are you trying to do that gave you update fail? What were you trying to install? Jesus. Hello? Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
I can hear you.
Okay, very good. Okay, Stephen Kinde, what's going on? What's it saying update failed? Which one is saying update failed? I don't understand.
Ocean WP. When I go
Okay. Yeah. Okay. The reason why it's saying update failed is that you have internet issues. All right. It is internet issues. Just keep trying. It will update. It will install. Do you understand? When you are trying to install any plugin or anything and it is saying update fail, it means it's trying to download it and your internet is poor or something happened built on internet. Just try it again. Try and click install again. It's going to install. It's later going to install. Do you understand?
thank you, sir.
Alright, it's going to install. Alright, so let's continue. Don't worry, the class is recorded. I'm going to compress the thing and then I will put it on my you see, it has gone. Odia Damite, you've done it. That's good. I told you it's just internet. There's no issue about that. Alright, so let's continue. So from here, after you've clicked on customize, remember I asked you to click on customize. Do you understand? This was where we were before. We were here before. And click on customize here. Click on customize. It's very important that you click on customize. So after you clicked on customize, you are going to get this right here. Alright, so you're gonna get this right here. Alright, let's just wait for everything to load up. Okay, very good. You are going to get this right here. Yeah, check this out. This is beautiful. Do you understand? This is beautiful. There are a lot of customizations you can do here. This is where we are going to start customizing how our website will look like. The first thing I need you guys to do is to click on site identity. So when you get to site identity, this is where you can change your your site, whatever, what you want your site to look like. All right. What is to be here, this Ocean Fair thing, if I change it to Big Sam, of course it's going to turn to Big Sam over here, my header. Do you understand? But let's leave it as Ocean Fair. Ocean Fair. And also consultancy firm, let's leave it like that. And site icon. All right, if you want to change your site icon, you understand, let me look for one image like that on my lookout that we can use as site icon. Let's see. No. I'm still looking for images. Okay, let me see. Oh my god, I can't get any. Let's just continue. Let me just use anyone. So most of the time what you are going to upload is your logo, your company's logo, or whatever logo you want to use. Do you understand? You are going to use that. I'm just going to use this stupid image right here so as to give you example of what we are talking about. And then once you crop image, all right, once you crop image, it is still cropping. Hope you guys can still hear me. Are you guys with me?
Yes, okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So once you crop your image, it is still cropping. Very good. And then it has already uploaded. Now check this out. Look at this here. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. Now on top of the browser. Now look at this. This is my website now. Look at this place. That particular, it was this ZAM sign before. It has changed to what I changed it to. Do you understand? Let me show you. If you go to my website, Nova University, you can see that it is this little blue hat that is there. Look at Google Meet. You can see Google Meet logo. Look at Messenger logo right here. Do you understand? Noctec, Udemy, and so on and so forth. All these big websites, they are going to have their little logo here. All right, that is exactly what we are fixing here too. So you are going to come to site identity and change that, so that you are going to change it to your company's logo or whatever the hell you want to change it to. So after you are done with that, always publish your changes. Always publish your changes. You don't want to have done a lot of work on your website and then maybe your village people intervene and your laptop just off like that. And you have to start all over again. It's not very good. You understand? It's very painful. That's one of the most painful things that can ever happen to someone in this life. So it will not happen to us in Jesus' name. Oh. So let's continue. So just from here, you can go to menus. Yes, this is the next thing we want to do. Go to menus, click on menus. When you get to menus, we don't have any menu yet. Just click on create new menu. Just call it anything you want. You can call it main menu, right? And then you can call it anything you like. Me, I'm just calling it menu. You know what menus are now. You know, stuff that used to be. You will see. So we want it to be a main menu, and then we want it to show on mobile too. Oh, another very beautiful thing about this particular thing is that, in fact, I will show you. Let's continue. All right. After you've done that, you can click on next. All right. You can click on next, and then let us add items to our menu. Let's add items to our menu. All right. So what do we want to put? You probably want to put a home page. Of course, home page should always be there. You want home page, right? And you want to have what other things do we want to have? Please, guys, unmute your microphone and talk to me. We should have a services page. All right, we should have a services page. What other things do you think we can have? Are you guys still with me? Or am I talking to myself?
Yeah, we're with you.
Okay.
We can talk about the company.
You are doing well about the company. Who else wants to give me any other suggestion? We can have about us. We can have contact us. We can have contact us. All right.
Inquiries.
Thank you very much. These things that we're actually creating, they are new pages. We're actually adding new pages from here. Do you understand? There's another way you can add new pages, but then we are adding pages from here because we've not really added any page. You can add pages from here. I'm going to show you the correct way and the right way to add pages, but just follow my steps here. Just click add, and also what else do we want to put though? Maybe our products.
We're going to ask questions.
Our products and FAQs.
Testimonies.
Let's say FAQs. All right, you can put it like that. Very good. So after we've done all this, right? After we've done all this, and then maybe probably we want to arrange it. We want to put about us before services or products. We want to put products immediately after services. Do you understand? And then we want to put contact us here, and then we want to move FAQs forward. Do you understand? So if we want to do that, we can just do this and publish our changes. Do you understand? You can always publish your changes, please. It's very important. I'm telling you. Publish your changes. Always publish your changes. So after you publish your changes, look at it here. Guys, look at our menu here. Alright. Can you guys see this?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, very good. Very
It's looking
good.
beautiful.
It's looking beautiful. We are getting there already. We are getting there. And then someone asked me a question the other time that can we make our website responsive such that can it look better, good, great on both mobile phone and desktop. Yes, this is where we are going to test for responsiveness. See, at this control bar here, you can click on this. It will show you how it will look on tablets. This is how your website will look on tablets. Right, when you click this, it will come over here, show you how it will look on tablets, and then if you click on this, it will show you how it will look on a mobile phone. Do you understand? So you can always see how your website looks. It is always responsive at all time. Do you understand? All right. You even have a little search bar that people can search and all that shit. So let's go back to our desktop version. All right, we're on our desktop version right here. Let's go back. After you've published your change, go back to the main thing. All right. Leave widget alone for now. Now there's this little bar up here. I want to remove this bar, and I don't like this thing here too. I want to remove this one too. All right. So what I need you to do is to go over to the home page settings. Let's see. Okay, I know we are not doing that yet. Let's go to general options. All right. Let's go to general options. We have general styling. If you come to general styling, all right, this is where you can start messing around with colors. All right, primary colors, over colors, main border colors, site background, link colors, and all. All right, we are still going to do a lot of very beautiful things. If you want to change the color of this, if you want to change the color of this particular header and change the colors of these things, we are still going to get there, but we are not there yet. All right, there is a lot. Please, you guys can just come over here and see. Sorry, I went out of. So you can just come over to customize and see a lot of things that are available for you to mess with. There's a lot of things, a lot of settings, a lot of customizations that you can do. So at your own leisure time, or maybe after this course, after this particular class, I want you to spend like extra 2 hours trying to play with all this and see the settings you can actually do. All right, you can come over to, okay, let's go back to general options and general settings. All right, your page layout, site, whatever, source type, whatever, a lot of other things you want to do. This is not what I want. Page title, come to page title. Now this is page title. Do you want to have page title, or do you want to remove page title? Visibility, I don't like, wait, what's this? Okay, no, this is not it. Style, come to style and change it to hidden. All right, once you change it to hidden, that page title will go. And if you like the page title, you can change it to default. I don't like the page title. I don't want it to be here. I don't like it at all. So I'm going to change it to hidden. All right, I'm going to change it to hidden so that the thing will go. All right, the thing will go. And since it is already at hidden, I'll just publish my changes, and then I'll get out of here. And then after I'm out, and then scroll to the top. You might want to add a scroll to the top bar. Remember that little bar that it will be on the left right corner, on the right bottom corner of your website. That once you click on it, it will take you back to the top automatically. That's what we are talking about here. You can choose this one. Once you choose this one, you want to put the bottom position. After you put the position, you can just choose the color. What color do you want it to be? You want it to be black? Do you want it to be blue? You can come over here and select the color, you want. Yeah, you can select red, select this, select that, and select a color that you want. Select any color. All right, but I'm going to be making this website, I think I'm going to be making it blue. Blue is my best color, guys. My best color is blue. So if you want to get me a gift, I don't mind. I don't mind iPhone. Get me a blue iPhone. Where are you lost?
So I don't know where we are now.
Okay. Okay, calm down. Don't worry, I'm recording the class. All right, I'll publish it on YouTube, and you can probably see. All right. Okay, so this is where we are. What we did was that we clicked on customize, and then we got here. Do you understand? We got here, and then general options. We are in general options. When you enter general options, you can go to general settings. Once you click on general settings, you're going to have a lot of other things to play with here. Get out. This is the main place. Immediately after you click on settings, you are going to get here. I know it's a lot of things to wrap your head around in a short time, but just please stay with me. This is the basic place, where you have active team, motion, WP. That is the basic place. All right, that's the basic place. So you can go ahead, click on top bar. Place your content here. I don't like this one, so I want to remove it. That is top bar. That's top bar. Go to general. Once you get to general, enable top bar. You can remove it. Do you understand? Once you remove top bar, it's going to be gone. Now we have our website look like, a normal website. All right, you can publish. Right, you can get out. You can get out, and then you can go to header. Just click on header. General. Go to general, and then here we can mess with our header. How big do you want your header to be? Do you see what's going on here? But me, I probably want to put it around that 80 something. Do you understand? All right, if you want it to be full width header, but I don't like full width headers. And then if you want to change the color, you can change the color of your header. Can you see that? You can change the color of your header. Do you understand? You can change the color of your header the way you like. You can change it to red, or change it, just change the color of your header, whatever. But red looks weird. I don't like red. I probably want to keep it at maybe maybe you want to fade it a little bit, make it transparent a little bit. But me, I like transparent headers. you can choose a transparent header. Transparent header means you can see directly behind the header. All right, so you can choose a transparent header and then come right down here and do transparent header settings, and then choose a color and maybe choose something around here. All right, yep, soft, maybe like that. And then if you don't want to choose transparent header, you can go ahead and just choose normal minimal. Do you understand? Or even you can choose top menu. If you choose top menu, let's see how that will turn out. This is how it turns out now. Do you understand? Let me keep the background color as white. This is how it turns out now. I don't think I like this for my website. No, you can choose center, right? If you choose center, let's see, this is how it will look like. I don't like that as well. You can choose medium. Let's see how medium looks like. This is how medium looks like. If you like this, you can go ahead. Or you can choose vertical. Alright, so you can choose vertical. It will be on the side like this, so that when you click on it, when you click on this, it will bring it out for you. But I don't want that. Alright, I mean, that's why it is called web designing. You can get creative as much as you want, but me, I like minimal. Just put minimal. Alright, hope you guys can still hear me. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, very good. Let's continue. So you can have that, and then always click on publish, go back, and mobile menu. Of course, it is available on mobile too. If you want to see how it's going to look on mobile, you can go ahead and direction. Which direction do you want it to be? Do you want to be on the right, or do you want it to be on the left? Do you understand? You can do that. You can do that. You can just come over. See, as I've told you guys, right? You can just come over here and then mess with a lot of things. Just see how it will look. Just click on mobile now. This is how it will look. If you click on this, you are going to see everything here. It's very good, all well and good. Let's go back to, okay, what other things? Yeah, very good. You can go to typography. If you go to typography, typography is where you are going to set your font. What font do you want your stuff to have? You can go over to body and set font weight, font whatever. Do you understand? You can go ahead and set it here at typography. We have a lot of things to do here. All right, you can set how your logo will be and all that stuff. All right, but then another thing I want to show you guys before we go is probably at general options, and it's maybe general settings. Let me see. I don't think so. General styling. No, it's not at general styling. Pagination, scene button, form, page title. Page title. Is it page title? It's not page title. We get home page settings. Header. Is it at header? Okay, click on logo. So when you click on logo, okay, very good. Are you guys here? Let's upload the logo. Let's upload the logo here, guys. Instead of having Ocean Fair here, let's put our logo. Just click on logo here. I'm gonna have to upload the logo here. Click on logo. Okay, let me see. Let me find the logo. Okay. Hey, Jesus Christ. Where did all logo go in this life? Oh? Very good. Let me use Nova University logo. Let me drop it here. All right. Oh, and by the way, guys, this Nova University logo, can you guys guess the amount I paid for it? Can you guess? Just guess. Hello, can you guys hear me? I want you to
15K.
guess. Eh?
Yeah, probably.
15K.
15K. Ah, you are close to it. You are close to it. Who else?
20.
20. Someone said 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Zero
okay.
naira.
Okay. I actually paid 0 naira for it because I did it myself. I did it myself. And exactly how I did it. Yeah. Exactly how I did it. It is actually included in the course that I show you the other time. Do you understand? It is included in the course that I show you the other time. Alright, step-by-step process such that you will be able to build something even more beautiful than that. Do you understand? It is actually included in that course that I show you on Nova University. So I really do hope you get your code and you get to use it, and then you get to. Oh, someone said they can't hear me. Oh, can others hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, very good. It's probably your network. So I really hope you guys get the code and then you benefit from the part of people that I'm going to sponsor. All right. Let's continue. So after you click on Nova University, you click on select, and then I don't want to crop. I want to skip cropping. All right. Lo and behold, bam! You're going to see it, but it's too big. All right, it's too big. I want to reduce it a little bit. I want to reduce it. No, that's too much. I think this is good. Yeah, this looks good. Alright, this looks good. I'm going to click on publish. Alright, it's already looking good. It's already looking nice. Okay, very good. Let's see how it looks like on mobile. It's looking fresh. In fact, this thing is doing well. Alright. And then probably on mobile it might be too big. Alright, you might want to reduce the size on mobile. And here is the thing: when you make changes on mobile, it does not affect how it looks on desktop. Now if I should reduce it in mobile to very small like this, do you understand, and I change back to desktop version, it will still remain the same size on desktop. So I can make changes on mobile and on desktop separately. Do you understand? So that is the beautiful part. If you come back to mobile, it is small. Do you understand? It is small. It is 81 on mobile. Do you understand? If you go to desktop, it is 107 on desktop. You can even change it for tablet. Alright, you can make it depending on your design and what you want. I can make it maybe 100 or 101. So you can have different designs for phone, depending on that is called responsiveness. To answer your question, someone asked me if we can make it look beautiful. It is called responsiveness. All right, you can also go here and see. Now this is the reason why people will be willing to really pay you even more than 50k in order to design a website for them. All right, if you want to design a website for anyone, don't lower your standard, please. It is Big Sam that taught you this thing. Don't be doing website of 30k. If you do website of 30k, I will stone you this laptop. You hear me? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because you guys are professional. It is the best that is teaching you. You understand? You are taught by the best, and you should not be doing crappy websites. That's why I ask you guys to know it very well. If you know it very well, and then you are sure of what you have to offer, right? Don't collect crappy money. All right, very good. So after we are done, I think we are pretty much done with our header. Or what else do you think we can add? I think we are pretty good like this now, right? So after you are done, publish your changes. Make sure it is published though, because if you go out without publishing it, everything we have just been doing since morning, it's all gone. So after you publish your changes, click on this X button, this X button right here, and then it will take you out. This is how your website looks now. All right, we are getting there. We are getting there small. Now click on over on Ocean Fair and go back to dashboard. Now, what I'm about to show you right now is the worst way of creating a website. You should never create a website like this. I want to show you the worst way of creating a website so that you can appreciate a good and better way of creating it. Do you understand? This is how most people create websites right now, and it sucks. That is why most websites looks very terrible. And I'm about to show you the terrible way of creating a website right now. Go to all pages. Go to pages, all pages. And then when you get to all pages, remember all these pages that we were creating when we were doing our menus. They actually came back here and they got created as actual pages. Don't forget that when we wanted to start, I deleted every pages that I had. And then when I was creating pages, when I was creating my menu, I was, writing it there, but those things are being created as pages here. So if you want to create a page, this is the normal way of creating pages. Once you get to pages, just click on add new. All right. Once you click on add new, all right, it will bring you here. You are going to get here. It's still loading. Yeah, you are going to get here and then give your page a title. What do you want to call your page? You probably want to call your page to. You want to call your page. You want to call it
Library.
library or gallery or whatever. After you've done that, after you've done that, you can click on publish. Maybe after you click on publish, it will join those pages that are there. Do you understand? It will join those pages. All right. If you go back to all pages, you will see library is there now. You understand? That is how you can create a new page. All right. But let's work on our home page now. Let's edit. All right. Let's work on our home page. Okay, very good. We are already here. Let's work on our home page. Now, this is the worst way of creating a website. You can just click on this place and then go ahead and write give text. This is the worst way of creating a website. And then if you want to add more stuffs, all right, you can click these 3 dots here, and okay, you can you can do a lot of stuff. All right, you can do a lot of stuff here. You can go ahead and align text center. You can you can do a lot of things. You can go here and if you want to duplicate the blog, if you want to, okay, I want to try something. Let me remove this block. Okay, very good. Very good. Yeah, this is nice. So you can have it here. You can also add a lot other things. All right. In fact, let me change this star. Come here. You can add an image. You can add a gallery. You can add a quote. You can add headings. Click on headings. All right. So when you click on headings, you can say this is the header. You can say this is the header. Okay. You might want to make it center align, just like Microsoft Office, guys. You remember? This is looking like Microsoft Office to me. I don't know. All right, you can click on add and add image. You can add image as well, and then go to media library. All right, click this and add image, and then after you add image, you might want to make it center align. All right, you might want to make it center align, and then after you're done with that, you might want to add some other things. Let's say you want to add a paragraph. You can say the way to a man's heart is via his mouth, and the main reason why cockroaches do not go to church on Sundays is because they had a meeting with Donald Trump. Nice. So you can have that and click on update. All right, now let's preview how our website looks like now. And lo and behold, our website will come out beautiful. All right, we have it this way. Our website is beautiful. This is everything you put. Remember, the way to a man's heart is via his mouth, and the main reason why cockroaches do not go to church on Sundays is because they had a meeting with Donald Trump in the White House. And yeah, you have it like this. All right, this is kind of, you can go ahead and design your website this way, but don't just tell anyone that it is some big Sam that taught you, because this is terrible. So I'm going to show you the nice way in which you can create a website in the next 5 minutes, because this class is supposed to end by 9 o'clock. Right? So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you something very beautiful, and I hope I don't know, maybe we are going to continue tomorrow, but
Okay, big sir.
I guess I'm almost done. We are almost done with the class actually. All right, so let me show you how to do this. Remember the blue button, the blue go to the top button that we made the other time. Here is it. If you click on it, it takes you back to the top. All right, so just go back to dashboard, go back to Ocean Fair, go back to dashboard. All right, once you are back at dashboard, now we want to do something now. All right, don't miss this, guys. This is very important. In fact, I'm recording the lecture. All I just want you to do is to listen attentively. You don't want to miss this. Go to plugins. After you are at plugins, come to add new. After you've added new, come to search for a new plugin and then search for search for Elementor. Elementor will change your life. Elementor will, it will change your website designing story. Just go ahead and click on install now. It is free. It is a free plugin. See, everything we are using right now, we've not paid any money to anybody. It is a free plugin. Ocean WP is a free thing. Elementor Page Builder is a free page builder. Do you understand? Of course, they are always premium version, but there is a lot you can achieve with the free version, and I'm going to show you that right now. I'm about to show you that right now. All right, I'm about to show you that right now. It is still installing. All right, just make sure you are connected to the internet while you are trying to install this. So let's wait for a moment while this thing installs. While it's still installing.
Hello, I have a question. Hello, I have a question. Can you hear me? Big Sam, your microphone is off. Hello?
Yeah, what's up? I can hear you. What's up?
Sorry, Stephen. Okay, I wanted to ask, so all this you've been doing with the WordPress, both the customizing and has been offline. It's just when you want to install that you would need the internet, right?
Exactly, yes. It's just when you want to install a new plugin and then when you want to install a new theme, because you need to download that from the internet. Immediately after you are done installing them, immediately after you are done installing Elementor, immediately after you can disconnect from the internet and continue to work without data.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So you can practice as much as possible and get very good. Okay, very good. So let's continue. Let's see if it is done installing. So okay, it is done installing. Now just go ahead and activate. Go ahead and activate. All right, just go ahead and activate. And then after you are done, it will ask you to. It will bring this page for you. Super Story. We don't care. Just go back to pages. Don't click anything here. This is Super Story. We don't give a damn. We don't want to watch any field guide. Just click on pages. Go back to pages. And now, this is very important. Watch my steps closely here. Click on home. Alright. When you click on home, this is what you have before. Now delete everything you have before. Everything you have before here, just go ahead and delete them. The three dots, remove block. Alright, the image, click on the three dots here and remove block. And this one to click on the three dots and remove block. Hope you guys can hear me. Click on the three dots, remove block. Do you understand? Alright, so you have this now. Now what I need you to do is to come over here, click on advanced. Okay, oh sorry, you are in block. Now go to document, switch to the documents tab. We have block tab, we have documents tab. Switch to the document tab and scroll down. So here, click on these templates. Click on Elementor full width. Instead of having default, click on Elementor full width. Have it as Elementor full width. After you have it as Elementor full width, all right, you can come over here and do some other more settings, but that's actually what we need, right? That's what we need. And then after you are done, update. Just click on update. After you are done, now you will have a new option that was not there before. There will be a new option that was not there before, which is edit with Elementor. Can you see right here? Edit with Elementor. Just click on that. So once you click on edit with Elementor, it will load. Hope you guys can still hear me. Can you guys hear me?
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Yeah,
Okay, very good. Now, after you click on edit with Elementor, this is what you are going to have.
Oh wow.
All right, this is what you are going to have. This is an amazing platform for you to design your website, guys. All right. Now, you can go ahead and install stuff, but this is what I'm going to show you guys: how to add a template. Now, see what I did. Make sure you are connected to the internet. This will see what I did. This folder button here. Click on this folder button. After you click on this folder button, you will have a lot of beautiful templates you can choose from. Beautiful already made templates that you can choose from, and you can just edit out. Do you understand? Of course, there are some pro versions that you can't use this one without it being pro. But look at this one now. This one is not pro. This one is free. Do you understand? This one is free too. We have a lot of free stuffs here. Do you understand? There are a lot of free ones that you can use. Alright. But the one I would like to use right here, let me use this one. This particular one here. Alright, so just go ahead and click on insert. But lo and behold, it will not allow you to insert yet. Well, it shouldn't allow you to insert yet. It wants you to connect to the template library on Elementor. Click on get started here. Once you click on get started, just click on get started. It will open a new whatever for you, a new tab for you. So it is asking you to connect your website localhost.oceanfair to your account. And then if you don't have an account yet, it will ask you to register. Just go ahead and register. After you finish registration, just go ahead and connect. Do you understand? But me, I already have an account with them. It's just asking me to connect my Ocean Fair website with my account. Alright. So if you are getting here for the first time, what it will tell you to do is to register. Just go ahead and register. And then after you register finish, just click on connect.
Big can you hold on? Let's try and register, please.
Okay. I'm holding on for you. I will hold on for a few minutes now. I'm holding on for a few minutes now. Alright. Who is typing? Who is typing ferociously? What are you typing? What's going on? Okay, continue typing your type you. But you can just mute yourself or something. I don't understand though. Alright. Oh guys, okay, there is something I would actually need your help on something, right? I would need your help, alright? When we are still waiting, I want to tell you guys a little story about how I started Nova University, right? You guys, if you watch the video on my landing page, when you are about to register, you might know a little bit about this story. But then I started Nova University just to help people, people like you get on their feet. A lot of people are broke. Right?
It's amazing. This is amazing.
Yeah, they don't have anything. They don't even know where to go. So I created a platform such that what we are doing is that people that are making waves, that are really making money online, you understand, they are going to come around and teach other people. Now I have friends that are doing forex. In fact, I have a friend, he's a millionaire, like he's very good in forex. I've already spoken to him and he has decided to teach people, right, on Nova University. And also I've spoken to some of my other friends too. I spoke to another person, her name is Toluwa Kemi. She's a WhatsApp marketer. She can teach you how you can change your WhatsApp into a money making machine, into a money making monster. Do you understand? So I've already spoken to her and she was very excited to do that too. I also have friends that do network marketing. Do you understand? Network marketing, and they are making waves, they are making serious money. Do you understand? So I've spoken to them and then they decided to join. And I believe that it is not just me, it is not just those people. There are other people in other part of Nigeria too that I don't know, right? And they won't mind helping other people like me. Oh, you know Toluwakemi, that's beautiful. They won't mind helping other people too. So, but then there's no platform that can connect them. So I created a platform such that you can register as a mentor. You can register and become a mentor, so that whatever skill you have, you can teach other people too. But before you come to register, we have to be sure that you know what you claim that you want to teach. Number one, and then number two, you are already making money with it, because you are not just coming here to teach people your skill. You are teaching them how to make money. You are not just teaching them how to make money, you are teaching them how you yourself make money. You are giving them the step-by-step blueprints of how you make money. Do you understand? I strongly believe that that is how we are going to survive this COVID-19. I mean, I checked the stats of the number of unemployment. The thing is about 23 million. Are you kidding me? Like 23 million people in this Nigeria, they are unemployed. Are you whining me? Do you understand? And then you, recent graduate, you will go out there, you say you are looking for a job. So that we are not going to end up jobless and then crime rate will not be increasing. I strongly believe that this is internet age, and there's a lot we can do with the internet right now. There's a lot we can do with the internet. So that is why I'm doing this. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing, and I pray that God will continue to strengthen me and give me the courage and drive to continue to do what I do. Won't you say amen?
Amen. A very big one.
Amen. Amen.
Fire, people.
Amen.
This one is a CSC member. Mountain of fire. All right. Very good.
Yes, I could try to if I could what you say.
All right. Very
Hello.
good.
Hello,
Yeah?
Victor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what do you want us to do with my hands here?
What I want you to do as now. Okay, exactly. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now, if you check the video, all right, from the first class, what I just need you to do for me is very simple. I just want you to make a short video, all right, 30 seconds, 1 minute video, and then I want you to just say what you have gained from the class, and I want you to mention two things. Number one, I want you to appreciate Nova University for giving you the skills, and I want you to mention that it is for free. All right, mention the name Nova University, mention that it is free, and then mention the name Big Sam, maybe just thanking Big Sam or something. Do you understand? Now, this is what I'm trying to achieve, right? This is what I'm trying to achieve here. I'm trying to go big. I'm this kind of person. If you guys know me, I'm this kind of person. If you know me before, I don't know. I have very big dream, and I like to scale up whatever it is I'm doing. Now, what I want to do is that I have a dream of training over 1,000 people. All right, I want to start with 1,000. Then after I'm done training 1,000, right now I've already trained. When you guys after this set, it will be a total of about 300 or so that I've trained. So I want to hit 1,000. Then after I'm done with 1,000, I want to go and train 10,000 people for free. You understand? And that is actually going to cost a lot. All right, there are some costs that I am currently incurring on my own, trying to make this class happen. Do you understand? So I want to make that campaign. So after I make that campaign, then I will send it out for sponsorship, and then probably if I when I send it out for sponsorship, your face, if you make the video for me, I'm going to put you and see testimonials so that people will not think that people are already scamming everybody on social medias and then on the internet. So there are a lot of internet scammers, all right. But then when they see testimonials from a lot of people, they will know that this person is for real, and then I can probably get sponsorship from maybe companies so that I can train as much people as possible. This is just the kind of person I am. When I see a problem and nobody is really doing anything about it, I like to do something about it. If our government is not going to find us job, well, I will probably try and empower people and make sure they can do things for themselves. So I have a very big dream of empowering 10,000 at least. I know it's a very small number out of 23 million people, but what I'm hoping to do is to create an impact ripple effect, such that when I train you as a person, you want to have the motivation to also help others too. Now, if we can create something like a ladder, something like a ripple effect, such that I train you, you train others, believe me, we can take over the world. We can cause a lot of massive effect. All right, I know 10,000 is very small out of about 23 million, but then it is something. All right, let us start from there first. All right, so I really, really need you guys to help me. All right, so that we can achieve this together. Let us achieve this together. Let us train 10,000 people in Nigeria for free together. So that is why I need you guys to just make the video for me and send it to me. Send it to the group. All right, once you send it to the group, I will be very, very, very grateful, so that I can make the compilations and then you guys can help me train 10,000 Nigerians. All right, we can give decent income to 10,000 Nigerians. And also, if you have any skill, or you know anyone that has any skill that would like to be selfless and teach people to, you can refer them to me, so that we can make things happen. All right. Thank you very much for for listening to me. I like to talk a lot. Let's continue with our class. I mean, probably now you are probably done. I want to believe you are probably done. So after you are done, just import it. Immediately after you import it here, all right, immediately after you connect, this is what you are going to be left with. Do you understand? So what I need you to do is that when you get here, this is beautiful. You can actually change a lot of things here. All right, you can just, if you want to change this text here, just double click on it. Once you double click on it, you can go ahead and change it to Big Sam. Big Sam is handsome. You can go ahead and change this one to Big Sam is a dope person. And you can put a lot of other things you like there. Do you understand? You can type as much as possible there, and then you can do whatever you want to do here. Do you understand? And then you can go ahead. This is also a video. All right. If you want to embed a video, you can embed a video here. And if you don't like it, if you don't want it there, you can just click on it. Click on this section right here. Click on this section right here, and then left click on it and delete it. All right, you can delete it. Do you understand? And then if you have it back, just come over here and search. Come over this bar, this left button. This is where widgets are. Just type video, and the video will show. Just drag this video and put it back on this page. Sorry, drag this video and put it back on this page, and then you will have video. All right, you will have a video here. You can go ahead and double click it. If you double click it, this will be the video link. You can go to YouTube and copy a YouTube video link. This is just a YouTube video link. Go to YouTube, copy a YouTube video link and place it and paste it here. Once you paste it here, that will be the video that will display here. Do you understand? Also, you can change this image. If you want to change this image, just click on that image, come over here, choose image. Once you choose image, you can change it to, I don't know, change it to this boy. You are going to have it here. And also, you can go ahead. This is our theme. You can click on our theme and change whatever you want to change. Do you understand? If you want to, when you are using the template, you can go ahead and do all these things. All right, you can do all these things. All right, okay, this is beautiful. I think we are doing well already. You can just go ahead and update. Always update your changes, please. Update your changes, and then after your changes has been successfully updated, you probably want to see. Hope you guys, can you hear me? Can you see and hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, you can go ahead and click on preview.
Yeah,
right?
we can hear you.
But then you might want to see how it looks on tablets. This is how it looks on tablets. Just to be sure of responsiveness. And then this is how it looks on mobile. Just to be sure of how it looks on mobile. All right, and then let's just see. Let's see how it looks. This is how our website looks now, guys. Do you see that? Can you guys see this?
Yeah.
Are you guys seeing this?
Yeah, we can see it.
Very good. This is how our website looks like here now. There's one more thing I need us to do. Come to dashboard. I want you to go to settings, go to reading, and then home page. This your home page displays. Change it to static page. Instead of your latest post, change it to static page, and then come over here to home page and then select home. Do you understand? And then click on save. Click on save changes. Then after you click on save changes, so the next time when you come here and you type localhost slash ocean fair and you click on enter, all right, you are going to have this is how your website looks like now. Do you understand? This is how your website look like. And then there's one thing I need to show you guys before we round it up. All right, now do you see the difference between designing website this way and designing website with this in this method? It's actually quite dope. All right, so what I need to show you guys is, let's say you've already designed on localhost and you want to upload it to, or you want to upload it online for everybody to see. You can just go ahead and go to save option, save as template, call it whatever you like, new home. After you call it whatever you like, just save it. Do you understand? Just save it. All right, it is still saving. It is still saving. What do you say?
Uploaded from local. Please, I wanted to repeat that. Uploaded from localhost to.
Okay, let's say you know that we are creating on localhost now, and then you already purchased a domain. All right, a client gave you a job now, and then you want to design it on localhost first before you buy the domain. Then after designing everything on localhost, you want to now import this thing you have designed on localhost and put it on oceanfair.com or oceanfair whatever it is you bought. All right, what I'm saying is that you come here, you save as template, and then once you click on save as template, you give your template a name and you click on save. After you've clicked on save, you can come here and then my pages. If you go to my pages, you will have a lot of pages, and you have blogs too, you know, just blogs that you can put on your website. All right, you have blogs, so a lot of them. And then just go to my templates. After you are here in your templates, you can just click here and click on export. Click on export. All right, so once you click on export, it will automatically download a file for you. All right, it will download the file. Click on save and save it. Do you understand? After you save that file, you can now go ahead and import that file on your waiting, on your normal domain. So what you will need to do is just to come over here. Let's say you have a blank slate now. Just come over here and then go to my templates. If you don't have any templates, maybe you are already on your domain now that you bought. So you just do this. You just click on this import templates, and then you click on select file. All right, and then you go to where your file is, that file that you just downloaded. You go to where it is, and then you click on it. Once you click on it and you click on open, do you understand? And you click on open. All right, it's going to load it for you. It's going to load it for you. It's going to load it for you. It's still waiting. All right. Okay, it's still importing it actually. Very good. It has already imported it. But don't forget that the name of the thing is still new home. All right, that's why we have 2 new homes here. All right, after you import it, you just click on insert. Click on insert, it will get inserted into your page. So that's a very beautiful thing I just taught you guys here. All right, so there's a lot of things you can do here. Also, if you want to change
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Can you recap that part again? I kind of missed it.
Oh, okay. What I said was that if you have already created this page on localhost and you want to upload it to a domain that you just bought, this is what you do. After you've created it, it is beautiful, it is nice, you've already done it, it's beautiful, it's doing well. What you need to do is just to click on this add templates. After you click on add templates, you can insert. Of course, let's say you want to export this. What you need to do is to come to this update part, click on this little button that is on this beside this update part, click on it and click on save as template. After you save as template, give your template a name. The template. Okay, maybe home page or something. All right, that is what you called it, and save. All right, after you finish saving it, it will be saved under your template. You see, this is the template I just saved now. Home page. Do you understand? So I can just go ahead. Now let's say I'm still on localhost here. I can just come over here, these 3 dots here, and then if I want to delete it, I can delete it. If I want to export it, I can export it. Once you click on export, it will give you a file, a .json file that you can save. You will save it on your computer. It will get downloaded on your computer. Do you understand? Let's now say I now went to domain.com. I went to domain.com and I search for the domain name that I want to buy. And I should remind you, buying a domain and how to install WordPress on your domain and everything, it is included in the course that I showed you guys in the beginning. All right, just want to mention that so that you can know. All right, so you can go ahead and search. Let's say you want to create Ocean Fair. I want to buy oceanfair.com, and I click enter, and they tell me that oceanfair.com is available. All right, which will probably not be available. People would have bought it. All right, let's say it is available and I got it already. Oceanfair.org is available and I got it, and I already have WordPress installed on my Ocean Fair website, and then I already have Elementor installed, and I open Elementor and I'm looking at a blank page. Let's say I've already opened Elementor on this Ocean Fair that I created, and I'm looking at a blank page in front of me now. All right, there's nothing here; it's completely blank. What I'll just do is I will click on this folder button. Once I click on this folder button, it will take me directly to this page. All right, so what I will do is that I will go to my templates. Nothing will be here since it's a new domain. I will click on this upward button here. Once I click on this upward button, it will ask me to import a template to my library. So I will click on select file. I will go to where that file got downloaded on my system, and then I will click on that file that got downloaded on my system, and I'll click on open. Once I click on open, it will start loading. It will start loading. And then it will import it for me. This is it, home page. Do you understand? This is it, home page. Right? This is the new one that got imported. And then I'm going to click on insert. So once I click on insert, it's going to insert it, and then that blank page will turn to this page that I created on my local host. Do you understand? So that's what I'm saying. Now it will get imported inside your website. Everything, including images, everything will get imported inside your website. All right. So after you are done, you should always update your changes. All right, always update your changes. And currently now, this is how your website looks. All right, there are a lot of other templates that you can use. All right. Of course, let's now say you don't like a session. You don't want to put a session. Let's say probably you don't want to put this one. This thing has been imported twice. So let me delete. You can delete sessions. All right. Can you see this is a section? This is a section. I can delete this entire section and it will go. I can delete this entire section. It will go too. All right. Let's say I want to put this section above that section. Do you understand? I want to move this one downward. Let's say I want to move this one downward. This is a section. This is a complete section first. This is one section. And I want to move this section. I want to move it. You just hold on to it and then click it down and then drag it down and put it here. Alright, once you put it here, you will see this one is now above this one now. Alright, let's say I only want 2 here. I can go ahead and click on this particular section and left click on it and delete it. Do you understand? It will be gone and then it will remain just 2. Alright, let's say I want to move this image away from here. You can just come over here and drag that image and put it here. Do you understand? And then it will be so. You can go ahead and do whatever you like, wherever you like. Just get creative and start designing. Do you understand? The sky is your limit with this thing. You can let your imagination run wide. Alright, especially if you're already a graphic designer, alright, and you have that design mindset and you have that design mindset, this should be very easy for you to to mess with. Alright. This is really dope, guys. This is really dope. I really hope I've helped you guys. I've opened you guys' eyes. Actually, with this, if someone asks you to design a website for them, and then you did this, even if you did this alone for someone, they will be willing to pay you more than 50,000 naira. You understand? Not knowing that this thing is a lot simple. But that's the point. That's how we make money, right? We make money from other people's ignorance. If they can do it themselves, then they wouldn't hire you to do it. All right. So yeah. So yeah.
I have a question.
Okay.
I have a question too.
So, when you're importing, like, we created a few pages. There's the home
Uh huh.
page, there's about us, there's contact us.
Uh huh.
When you're sending it to domain.com, will it send all the pages?
Oh no! You have to. You know that. Remember that we went to do install edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. You have to go to edit with Elementor and install them one by one. Do you understand? This is what I'm saying. Return back to home. Exit to dashboard. Alright, someone said I'm too fast. Sorry, the time is gone. We are supposed to stop this class by 9 o'clock. I'm just going to compress it here so that we can finish this class today and then you guys can get the code today. You understand? So that's what I'm trying to do. Don't worry, I'm recording this class. I will put the class on YouTube and you guys can follow through. Don't mind me. I'm very sorry for that. Alright, so you have to go to all pages. Alright, once you are in all pages, you can go ahead. Let's say now what you want to do is contact us or about us. So you can click on edit. Alright, once you click on edit, it's still editing. You can come over here and don't forget, page attributes should always be changed to Elementor full width and then edit with Elementor. Okay. What the fuck happened? Hello.
She's big jackpot.
Hello. Hello.
Big son, where have you been?
Oh,
Sir,
sorry.
we miss you.
You miss me. They will miss you in Jesus' name. All right. So sorry, my network just went off for a while. All right, and I did not even know that. I did not even know that my network was off. I was already talking. It is well. All right, please mute your microphone. All right, let's continue. Now, what I was saying is that you would have to open those things one by one. Do you understand? I was here before. I opened the about us page. Just go ahead and open
Sorry,
it.
I can't see your screen.
Sorry. I've not shared my screen. Who said I jackpot? I did not jackpot. Jackpot bibao.
I hope you are safe.
Okay, very good. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah, we're finished.
Okay, very good. So you just go to about us.
Hope you are still recording.
Yes, I'm still recording. The class is almost 2 hours now. Damn.
Okay.
That would be a very large file. It's take a lot of data to upload it. Okay, very good. So as I was saying, guys, You just click edit with Elementor. You are editing with Elementor, and then after you edit with Elementor, you are going to have to export them one by one, and import those pages one by one too. Just go ahead and also maybe find an about us page here. So once you click pages, we're going to end this class in the next 2 minutes. All right, just go ahead and look for the about us page. Look
Is
for
that a
that.
question?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. You said if you want to import the pages whatever into the Elementor, the export and but what if you already have the domain? Is there like an online WordPress?
Exactly, yes. There is an online WordPress. Yes, you don't have to do it on localhost. And the main reason why we are using localhost is such that you guys can have practice. You don't have to buy domain before you follow me in the class. That's why I'm using you guys on localhost. Yes. In fact, let me show you. Let me show you. All right. That will be the last thing I'm going to do, and then we are going to go. This is one of my ltbliss.com.ng. That's one of my domains /wp admin. Exactly. But you know that when we want to do our own, it will be localhost / your website /wp admin. It is the same thing, the same process, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. So if you are to use the online one, you don't need to use XAMPP.
No, you don't need to use XAMPP. You don't need to use XAMPP at all. XAMPP is only enabling you. XAMPP is only enabling you to be able to run on your local computer. All right. So when you get here, you will see this is the online one, guys. This is the online one. You can see that it is exactly the same thing. ltbliss.com.ng/wp. It's exactly the same thing. Do you understand? It's exactly the same thing. All right. You can still go to your pages. You can go to your pages, and then you can, edit with Elementor and all those stuffs. All right, a lot of them here. A lot of them. All right.
So what if you want to create sub pages?
If you want to create
sub pages under those, maybe contact, and maybe there's other pages under it.
Other pages as how I don't get it.
Like on our home, maybe sub pages under those.
Oh
on the website.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Just go over to your website here and go to customize. This should be the last thing I'm going to say. We should end this class right now. All right. So our last class tomorrow will probably be on WhatsApp. It's just a few things that I'm going to talk. I'm going to say a little bit about digital marketing. All right. Okay, very good. Just go ahead and go to your menus. All right, go to menus, and then the menu you have, it is main menu that is currently running. Click on main menu. Now look at this. Let's say you want products and about us to be under services. Just carry it like this and drag it forward a little bit. You can see that it is a little bit indented. All right. Bring about us here and put it and let it be a little bit indented. Now you can see that services already has a drop down now.
Yeah.
Services already has a drop down, and then when you hover over to it, you can see. Do you understand? So that's how you make that kind of stuff happen. All right. Then you click publish. Always click publish. All right, guys.
Hello.
This will be the end of the class. Okay, you have a question. Okay, ask your question. Final question for today.
Please, one last question, please.
Okay. Go. Ask your question.
Hello, Big Sam. I have one last question, please.
Ask your question. I can hear you.
You did. I don't know if I missed it or, but you didn't mention how to move on the 5cent.com.
How to do what?
Did you hear me?
I can't hear your question.
I said you didn't say how to move,
like how to move this website to the this old local one to the main domain that we have on board.
Oh yeah, I already said it now. Were you not
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
I already said it now. That when you are going to export, then after you export, then you install WordPress on your what's it called? You install WordPress on your new domain. Do you have a domain now? You don't have a domain now, right? If you have a domain now, you will install WordPress on your domain and have that same thing. It is the same process, guys.
No.
It is the same process. Don't worry, it's the same process. All right, and I mentioned it. Maybe you just watch the class again. You will see I mentioned it.
Okay, one other thing.
Okay, one
Exam.
other thing, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to change your header,
Can you edit directly on domain?
Of course, yes, you can edit, but it's not domain.com that you're going to use. I'm going to recommend another web hosting service for you that is not that expensive. All right, it is Nigerian based, so it is not that expensive. For 3,000 naira, 4,000 naira, you can get a domain. Do you understand? So I'll recommend another one for you. Okay, so someone else is asking another question.
Okay.
yeah, I said if you want to change your header, like the other time I was playing around it and I wanted to put a slider as my header, so and I got it mixed up, so I didn't get it well.
Slider as your header.
Yeah, like just like slide images
Okay. I get what you're
display
trying to
on your
say.
header.
I get what you're trying to say. How I wish to show you how to do that right now, but we are out of time, right? All right. Let me just watch me. All right, just watch me. I'm not really going to explain because technically this class should be over, right?
We are enjoying. We are enjoying.
All right, just go over here and classic, and then choose image, and oh, okay, no, sorry. Go to slideshow, and then add images, and I want to add this boy. Maybe no, not this girl. She's not fine enough. I'm not adding her. I probably want to add this, and and maybe this, and then create new gallery, insert. All right, and then I want to probably go in here and put a spacer, right, and increase the space. Is this what you're talking about?
Yeah, correct. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, confirm.
And then you
Okay,
can
now.
change. You can change it to slide right. You can change the slider transition to slide right. You can change the slider duration. You can make it slide faster, 200. Oh, transition duration. 200 is good. And then you can make this thing like 1,000 so that it will slide every 1 second. You understand? Depending, you can adjust to the time, and also background size. I want to make it cover. You understand? Default position. All right, very good. This is looking good. You can have it like this. All right. Maybe probably this is what you mean, Sha. I hope this is what you mean. Is this what you mean?
Yeah, you're on point.
Okay, very good. So you can do and undo. That's the point. You can do and undo. You are allowed to be. Don't worry, guys. See, I would really recommend if you want to, because if you want to be able to, maybe you don't want to. You want to be very good. You don't want to use templates. You want to be able to design your own from ground up using just these things. All right. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. All right, you want to be able to design your own from ground up. Of course, just try as much as possible and be part of those lucky 20 persons that is going to get it. Like, I really had time to break everything down. It is a total of 61 lectures, guys. I can tell you after you are done with those 61 lectures, and plus you are also going to be part of my, you are going to be in my personal mentorship. And then if I have a job and then they are throwing 50k, 40k at me, and then because we know that I'm too proud to collect a 50k, a 40k job, I might probably, just pass it on to anybody that needs it. Do you understand? So, but then you have to be good. I have to be sure that you've undergone my training, and then you are good enough, because you can't go there and be spoiling my name by designing stupid websites. No, you shouldn't do that. One thing that I cherish more than anything is that my reputation remains intact. So if I'm going to recommend you to anybody, if I'm going to recommend anybody to you or recommend you to anybody, or get you a gig or something, I have to be sure that you are going to deliver exceptional service. Do you understand? And I can only be sure if I have seen your work, if I know that you've undergone a solid training, and then I've seen your work, I've seen what you do. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So this will be the end of our training. All right, this will be the end of our training. Do you guys want to clap for me?
Sorry, please. How do we?
All right, very good, very good. Please, I'll also remind you guys on WhatsApp on the video that I want you guys to do for me. Please, it's very important to me so that I can continue to help people. All right, so God bless you so much. You are doing well. Tomorrow we're going to call. Okay.
Big Sam.
Yeah.
Yeah, concerning that, please, I'd like to know, when do you want us to do it? Like,
oh, please, you can start doing it from tomorrow. As from tomorrow, please, just keep doing it as from tomorrow.
Okay, like how many minutes?
30 seconds, 1 minute. 30 seconds, 1 minute. All right. 30 seconds, okay. 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, as the spirit leads you. All right. So thank you very much.
Okay.
Oluwatosin Adebayo, you are doing well. Oluwatosin Adebayo is my business partner. He's doing very well. He's a dope man. You understand? He's a very handsome man. Ladies, he's single. All right. I'll send you his number. He's single. He does not have a girlfriend. So I'll send you his number. Just come to my DM. I will send you his number.
Are you sure, sir?
No, I'm very sure. I'm serious. Come to my DM. I'm going to give you his number. He's very handsome.
No. Serious.
All right, very good. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy your day. So you can start leaving the meeting now. All right, you can start leaving the meeting now. God bless you so much, and yeah.
God bless you so much.
Yeah.